Hello friends, my name is Anubhav More and today's date is the 18th August and today I am talking about the array. In array, primitive and non-primitive data types. Primitive data types size is fixed. 8 data types. In primitive data types have 8 data types: char, int, boolean, float, double, short, long, byte. So non-primitive data types size is not fixed. Arrays, for example, arrays, string, classes, interfaces. So array. So definition of array: an array is a collection of similar type of elements which has a continuous memory location. Array in Java is an index based. The first element of the array is stored at the zero index, and second element is stored of the first index, and so on. The length of array is established when the array is created. After creation, its length is fixed. What is the syntax of array? Array declaration syntax is very simple. The syntax is the same as for a normal variable declaration. So, a normal variable declaration. Some important points about Java arrays. Java all arrays are dynamically allocated. A Java array variable can also be declared like other variables with after the data types. The variable in the array are ordered and each have an index beginning from 0. Java array can be also be used as a static field, a local variable or a method parameter. The size of an array must be specified by an int or short value and not long. The direct superclass of an array type is object. Every array type implements the interfaces clonable and Java IO serializable. Array can contain primitive, int, char, etc., as well as object or non-primitive references of a class depending on the definition of the array. In the case of primitive data types, the actual values are stored in contiguous memory locations. In case of objects, the values of a class, actual objects are stored in the heap segment. So array index is equal to array length minus 1. So types of array, there are two types of array: single dimensional array and single dimensional array means 1D array, and it's normally array. This type of array contain sequential element of same type. And second is multi-dimensional array means 2D array. It is array of arrays. 2D arrays is an array made of multiple 1D arrays. 3D array is an array made up of multiple of second 2D array. So syntax of array declaration: data types array, array name equals to new data type, array size. We can do many operations on the array in Java. So example: get the first and the last element, add new item to an array, convert a list to an array, get the random value, insert a value between two other values, check if an array is empty, copy an array in Java, find sum and average of Java arrays, find max and min in an array with Java, shuffle elements of an array. So some specific characteristic of array. Arrays are dynamically allocated means it allocates the memory at runtime as the array has fixed size. Dynamically allocated means we can add and remove elements. It will change the size at runtime. So array are objects in Java. A Java array variable is declared as like other variables. So uses of array in Java: in an array, accessing an element is very easy by using the index number. The search process can be applied to an array easily. 2D array is used to represent matrices. For any reason, a user wishes to store multiple values of similar type, then the array can be used and utilized efficiently. Similarly, you can declare arrays of other types: byte array, an array of bytes; short array, an array of shorts; long array, an array of longs; float array, an array of floats; double array, an array of doubles; boolean array, an array of booleans; char array, array of char; and a string array, an array of strings. So arrays in Java declare, define, and access arrays access arrays. So one of the most popular programming language in the world, Java is an essential part of any web and applications development professional toolkit. While there are many components and concepts to understand this powerful language, in this article we are going to talk about arrays in Java. Arrays are a straightforward yet essential concept of Java programming. Whether you are experienced programmer or a beginner, you will inevitably use arrays in almost all aspects of Java programming. We will cover the following topics: Java arrays articles. So, what is an array in Java? How to define and declare an array in Java? Types of array. Example of Java arrays. So what is an array in Java? So an array refers to a data structure that contains homogeneous element. This means that all the elements in the array are of the same data types. Let's take example in a array. In this array, this is an array of 7 elements. All the elements are integers and homogeneous. Then green box below the array is called as a index, which always starts from 0 and goes up to n minus 1 elements. In this case, as there are 7 elements, the index is from 0 to 6. There are three main features of an array: dynamic allocation. In arrays, the memory is created dynamically, which is reduces the amount of storage required for the code. Elements stored under a single name. All the elements are stored under the one name. This name is used in any time we use an array. So occupies contiguous location. The elements in the arrays are stored at adjacent position. This makes it easy for the user to find the location of its elements. So advantages of arrays in Java. So Java arrays enable you to access any element randomly with the help of indexes. It is easy to store and multiple manipulate large data sets. Disadvantages of array in Java: the size of the array cannot be increased or decreased. Once it is declared, array has a fixed size. So Java cannot store heterogeneous data. It can only store a single type of primitive. Addition using Java arrays, multiplication using Java arrays, copying using Java arrays, cloning using Java arrays. So cloning using Java arrays. So in an arrays, for example, we have find the sum of arrays. So we have created the array int array a is equal to in curly braces of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 comma 6. So in this process we have used the loop for loop, and the length is start to 0 and 0 to a dot length. So in the loop we have declared a variable local variable int sum is equal to 0, and find the sum is equal to sum plus a of I means array. So the output is a, and print the output is a sum. Another one example is we have find the sum and average. We have created arrays. So int array a equals to in a curly braces of 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. So we have declared the int sum is equal to 0, local variable int sum is equal to 0, and we use the for loop. Starts to 0 and starts to 0 to array length means a dot length. So uh, in this loop we have sum is equal to sum plus a of I, and print the sum. So sum is 10, and we have we find the average. So sum divided by a dot length divided by a dot length, so the average is for 3. So this is the example of arrays. And the 2D array, the example of multiplication array, we have created the int array of array equals to a equals to in curly braces 1 comma 2 comma 3. So the multiplication is so thank you.